Hello world, welcome to UK's kitchen. Today I'm gonna introduce Japanese curry hotpot. Let's start cooking. Prepare the ingredients. I prepared the typical ingredients for hotpot. Actually, we don't care about the ingredients. Plain meat, vegetables and mushrooms, whatever you like or you have. Carrots are sliced. Cut the Japanese leek diagonally. Slice the onion. This is shimeji mushrooms. Cut off the stem of it. This is an enoki mushroom. Cut off the stem of it. This is Chinese cabbage. We often use it for hotpot dishes, but ordinary cabbage is fine. Cut the white parts diagonally. Cut the mitsuba trefoil. Mitsuba trefoil is like coriander. I'm gonna use chicken thighs today. Cut the chicken to the proper size. Today, I'm gonna use the curry soup base from Curry House COCO ICHIBANYA. When it's winter season, wide variety of hot pot soups will be on sale. You can buy it for from $2 to $3. Most Japanese people have a portable gas burner and a hot pot. Add the soup and vegetables. And add chicken. Add mushrooms. This is a meatball called tsumire. Many kinds of meatball are sold in winter. There are various ingredients, such as pork, chicken, fish, and crab. This meatball is about $3. Finally, add the mitsuba trefoil. And it's done! 完成! Let's eat! いただきます! Seen from above, it's like this. Hotpot dishes are very healthy because it takes a lot of vegetables and mushrooms. It gets very warm on cold days. If the cold days continued, I eat 3 times a week. There are so many kinds, so I never get tired of it. I especially like pork belly. The soup became raw. Add rice and cheese. Make a curry risotto. This channel shows you real Japanese home cooking. and I would like to introduce Japanese sauce mix, seasoning, and frozen food. Furthermore, I will also introduce Japanese food culture and customs. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. How was today's video? Leave me a comment if you have any request. I'm glad to if you enjoy it. ごちそうさまでした。Thanks for watching. ありがとう。バイバイ。